If your data looks like this with all these month columns, you know how much time you spend cleaning or restructuring it for visualization. Hey everyone, it's EC and welcome to day 2 of Automate Your Job. Every analyst encounters this problem where you either have super wide data or columns are rows and your rows are columns and you have to either clean it or transpose it. I'm going to show you one prompt to automate this easily. Let's dive in. We'll be using this data set. So we have the region, product manager, category, country, comment, and then from column G up until column R, we have dates as the column headers, and then we have the values underneath it. So from column A till column F, we want to leave it as is, but from G up until R, we want to make sure that there's a date column that has these dates, and then there's a value column that has the values underneath the dates. So that's exactly what we'll be automating today. Usually you would have to manually do this, or you have to use a combination of formulas like array formula and flatten to be able to do that. But making it easy and simpler is automating it. So this is the prompt we'll be using today. So you can see where the curly brackets are. You just need to update it to your own either sheet name or the fixed columns that you have. So I'm going to copy this now, and then I will paste here, and then I'll just update it. My sheet name is sales by region. And then for the fixed columns, these are the ones that I have. So let me just copy these ones up onto here. Just make a swap like this. There we are. And then I'm just checking through to make sure everything is all good. So this one that says period column name, I'm just changing its date, but depending on you can change it to either quarter or month, depending on your data set. And then we have values here. And then for the output, I'm just changing that to cleaned because I want the output to be on a different sheet. So in this prompt, you see as well that it handles like missing rows, blanks, and then there are also like inline comment as well. And then it would also trigger every 24 hours. So in case if your data is updated, then every 24 hours it would refresh. Just changing this as well. Let's change that to date and then values. So you just update it where appropriate for your own data set. And then I'm just going to look through here. So, and then I'll click on enter. So let's just wait to see what ChatGPT will provide for us. Let's see the script it will provide. I'll just copy this code and then I'll go to Google Sheets and then extensions, app script, and then I'll open in a different page. So I'm just going to name this sales. You can name it what you prefer. And then this is what you would usually see, just function, my function, and you just need to copy this, have that deleted, and paste what you've copied, the script that you've copied. So I will save this now to Drive, and then I'll run it. Give it a couple of seconds, and then you get this authorization pop up as well. You review just like yesterday. So long as you're the one that wrote the script or generated the script, there shouldn't be any issues at all. So you just need to verify the app that is created and then continue. So it would run now. So it's showing it here that the transformation is complete, 144 rows transformed. So let's go back to this. So you can see here now that we have it in the cleaned sheet. We have the region, the product manager, category, country, comment, and then we have the date and their values. But this is what we initially had, and now this is what we have. So you don't have to manually restructure or transpose or pivot your data. Your data will now refresh every time. So you can customize the prompt for whatever data format you're dealing with, and you would have a script that deals with your own specific structure. If you've been finding this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, or follow, and I'll see you tomorrow.